So guys, we'll be doing a cabin air filter for a 2018 Honda Clarity. We're gonna open the glove department right here on the passenger side, and there's two tabs that you have to press to bring down. And right behind the glove department, there's a like little box. You know, you press the tabs right here on the side. One. And there's another one on the right side, two, and it comes off. And there's your cabin air filter. This cabin air filter, I already swapped it, but here's the old one. This goes with the airflow going down on these Clarities. And if you tend to forget, you can always check the cap on the box, and they will tell you. So the cap on the box will tell you as well. If you tend to forget, it says airflow going down. Because if it was the other way, you know, the airflow going up, you know, the airflow letters would be going upside down. So it looks like this. I just place this in how the other one was. Place it in. Place it in. Put the cap back on. Make sure it clicks on both sides. And you pretty much put this thing back on. Just push it up. And you're pretty much done. I just need to put all that mess back in. But that's pretty much it. Cabin air filter. I think it's called something else on the owner's manual, but you know, us mechanics normally call it a cabin air filter.